how you use your 24 hours will determine where you end up in life. Whether you think about it or not, whether you like it or not, that's the reality. And coming from where I came from, being a skinny nerd, waking up late, not really focused on anything, having a bunch of F's in school, being disciplined changed my life. I start my day off pretty simple. First thing I do is I get up and I hydrate and I groom myself. Make sure I look good, get ready for the day, grooming, self-care, all that good stuff in the morning. Get that out the way, and I go straight into my breakfast. My breakfast is always simple. It's a high protein meal, usually something pretty light on my stomach so I can pretty much think clearly throughout the day. I don't like eating anything heavy, no processed foods, a podcast on or YouTube video, something informational that I can learn while I'm eating my food or cooking it. And then I go ahead and make my pre-workout shake, go straight into a workout. Right, got my pre-workout going, energy going throughout my body. It's like waking my body up. It's morning coffee, it gets my mind clear, gives me the energy throughout the day. You should do a push-pull split where I'm working multiple muscle groups at a time. Anything that happened the day before or something's on my mind, this is where I get rid of it right here in the morning. So I can make sure that I have a good day regardless of what happened yesterday. Usually if it's Saturday or a weekend, I'll go to the run club where we do hills. And that's where I'm able to network with other people, do intense workouts with people outside. So every single day I'm doing some type of movement. I'm either working out my body, I'm walking, I'm doing some high intensity training, because beforehand I had no structure in my life. You know what I mean? I didn't wake up early. I didn't have no grooming routine. I didn't have no workout routine. I would just wake up, probably eat some fast food and play video games or go straight to school. I had no plan to build my day. Right? Building your day is important because one day turns into a week turns into a month turns into a year, and then you're completely different. You know what I mean? So if you're not intentionally building your day, then somebody else is building your life, and you want to make sure you're being intentional about the day that you're building. After we do a workout, we come back home, shower, and then we get straight to doing some work, right? Whether I'm working on, playing or editing some videos, or I'm working on some actual work, some client work, that's where I'm pretty much focused, locked in. I got my workout in, and I'm just locked in throughout the day. I went to go wash my car. Especially if you're in it every day, your crib got to be clean, your car got to be clean, because it represents you. How you live your life represents you. It's a mirror. So I make sure my car is clean inside and out. Then boom, now we fresh, we clean, we riding. Then I had a podcast today. I went ahead and shot a podcast with my boy Layman. We went ahead and shot that podcast. Super dope experience. Actually my first podcast that I've actually recorded, so I'm going to be doing more of those. With that, I'll go straight to HEB. I had to go pick up a few things, so I went and picked up some dinner for the night. Got some chicken, bananas, some rice, just a high protein meal, guys. I like to eat very clean, but what you eat is going to either make your mind slow or it's going to make it fast. It's going to make it snappy, you know what I mean? It's going to give you the energy you need to produce throughout the day. So you got to be very cautious of what you put in your body. No sugars, no processed foods. I don't do any of that. Everything I do in my day is to maximize Jacoby. Now, boom, I get back home, take my fits off, cooking dinner. It's later in the day. I go ahead and cook my meal. It's either gonna be some chicken, ground turkey, or some salmon, animal-based protein with some carbohydrates, real simple, cantaloupe as well. For some fruit, a little snack after a little sweet tooth. I go straight into cleaning my apartment, right? I don't like leaving myself dirty or going to sleep in my apartment's dirty. No, everything has to be clean. You know what I mean? That's just how I structure my life. Everything's clean, snappy, precise, intentional. And when you wake up to a clean place, you already are in the right mental mindset. How can you wake up in a dirty spot? Your day's already off. So I make sure I clean my crib really nice, and boom, I just relax for the rest of the day. Usually I'll probably watch a little movie or something, or I'll read a book or another podcast before I go to sleep. But I like to be asleep by 10 or 10:30 p.m. so I can make sure I'm waking up early and doing everything over again, and getting my day structured. So this is literally the life this is the life that I live on a daily basis. I don't want anything out of order, because if things in your life externally are out of order, you're going to be out of order internally. Everything I do in my life is to build me, in and out, externally and internally. It's to build not my foundation for my future self. If I am aligned with who I want to become, if I'm doing the things I need to do on a daily basis, I don't have to worry about the result. The result's going to be intimate. It's just a matter of time. How are you using the same 24 hours I got to maximize and do the most of the day, so you can cut down your time frame of actually getting the result? And how I stay locked in a super party nightlife city is doing the things that you don't want to do now, regardless of how you feel, and doing them for a consecutive amount of days. Your future family, generations to come, you are the one to do it, and you have to do it now. Nobody's gonna do it for you. Nobody's coming to save you. Nobody's coming to wake you up early. Nobody's coming to do the workouts for you. Nobody's coming to build that business for you. Nobody's coming. You have to build that structure for yourself and find people along the way to help you do that. You know what I mean? And that's how I've been able to do it and be disciplined, by making sure that I'm staying focused, making sure that I'm removing things that don't add value to my life, whether that's smoking, that's drinking, that's partying, that's bad relationships, that's people who aren't elevated to your level, that's family members, whatever that is to you. You know what you need to cut out and what you need to put into your 24 hours, right? You need to be building you, focus on you. Because at the end of the day, that's all you got at the end of the day. You know what I mean? You building this person for the future life that you're gonna eventually build.